In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update product on-hand quantity in Odoo. We'll begin from the Odoo home screen. First, select the correct database, and once that opens, go to the main dashboard. This is your starting point for accessing the different business apps inside Odoo, so make sure you're in the right environment before making any inventory changes. From the main dashboard, click on the Inventory app. This will take you into the inventory management area, where product stock levels, movements, and warehouse-related information are handled. Give the page a moment to load completely so you can see all available menu options. Once the inventory page is open, look for the Products tab. Click on it to open the product-related menu. Then, select Products. This will load the full product list where you can browse or locate the item you want to update. If you have a large catalog, it helps to take a quick moment to confirm you're choosing the correct product before making any edits. Next, choose the product you want to update. When you click on it, the selected product record will open. This page contains the details for that specific item, including inventory-related information. At this stage, it's a good idea to review the product name and details so you know you're updating the right record. Now update the quantity on hand field. This is where you enter the new on-hand quantity for the product. Be careful when making this change, since this value directly affects your stock records and can impact purchasing, sales, and internal inventory tracking. Enter the correct quantity based on the most recent count or adjustment you need to reflect. After updating the quantity, review the changes carefully. Before saving, take one more look at the product and the quantity value to make sure everything is accurate. A quick review can help prevent stock discrepancies later on. Once you're satisfied with the update, click Save. This will apply the changes to the product record and store the new on-hand quantity in Odoo. After saving, the updated quantity should now be reflected in the system. And that's it. You've successfully updated a product's on-hand quantity in Odoo. As a final reminder, always double-check inventory adjustments before saving, especially if multiple team members rely on accurate stock data. Keeping these records correct helps maintain smoother operations across purchasing, fulfillment, and reporting. Thanks for watching.